Hi, in this video we teach you how to make over jewelries on a model using Photoshop. There's interface, option panel, menu bar, and this is toolbar and the layer palettes. In that you can arrange your contents, logs, send to back, delete. And then we have to go this window menu, you get all the options coming there. Then we go for open. Now open the file of these jewelries and the model over there. So now this jewelry has to be makeover on the model, arrange, so we can arrange to see both of them to the same point. Now we use a polygon lasso tool to make a selection of this jewelry because it was a single image. So select that image layer and drag and drop. Now we have to use a Control T for making a proportion transform so it's look nice on the model wearing the jewelries. So we go this free transform options to get the Control T or transform tool options. So just click and drag over there. So this is how you can make a for magazines, for your post, for your poster, from these process to make your jewelries more selling process. So these are the criteria how the designer has to work for the jewelry wearing concepts. So just alt and drag and Control T and right click, or you go for this option, right click and change the orientation. And then you can use the arrow tool also of the keyboard for precisely make the movement or the position change. Now we have to go to for the necklace also. So same process with polygon lasso tool, we have to go this, but we have to Control D for remove that, otherwise it's not give you for the another selection. So now make this necklace selections also, just keep the side of this layer and use polygon lasso, click. Whenever you done a one selection and then you go for the another selection, please press Control D, right? So just click and drag, and you need to be a Control T or edit menu free transform to give the proportion scale to wearing on this model, to give your client to be a visualization idea how they look if they wear this model, you know. So you can use these techniques for your post, for your advertisements, print medias, and then enter this. So once you change this position of this necklace on her body, so the neck has to be covered properly, and then if there is an unwanted area we can select and delete the thing so it perfectly to be positioned on the area. So just click and drag. Before you have to press Control T for the transformation. As I told you again, go to edit menu and free transform there. So now we have to go for polygon lasso tool. There is unwanted area to covering her neck area. So select and just delete this. Selection and delete this. Select the layer. So first you make the selection, then select layer and just delete the thing of unwanted. So now you have to select this necklace and then give the position a little bit by using the arrow tool so it's look nice. So we have to whenever you put something jewelries on model has to very proportionally scale and very placement has to be very perfect so they look good to create a visualization ideas. So now we have to select this image layer and we have adjustment and match color. What does this match colors give you? Because sometimes when you put some products or elements to be in different color combination, it seems to be not a match. So I just select this jewelries one by one, and this is jewelry, and then we have to neutralize or just fade it. So the color combination has to be come to like that model has to wear the jewelry, otherwise it's look the jewelry is different, jewelry color combination separate and the model color combination is separate. So I don't want to be look it just plays on the model on this. So I want to be she has to be wear this. so the match color has to do this. So this is double click on necklace and we get the layer style. I check the drop shadow and you can work on the drop shadows also. So whether if you see the light is there and the dress shadows has come on the screen also, so same way the necklace jewelries also come over there. So here we done. If you have any queries, aonlinetraining.com. Thanks.